Here's a quick little demo of where I'm at in my level editor. I'm going to hit the run button and it's going to have to recompile. I zipped it up and uploaded it to the server, so I deleted all of the run times. Makes it a whole lot smaller. Massive program. Alright, there we go. Generating code, compiling. Alright, so pretty standard how it's been with the auto-sizing grid and being able to move around like in most industrial programs. I added in file, I added in the functionality for save as and open. The information is being stored in a JSON format. If I hit the open button, I can double click on that, and right here at the very origin, it's loaded in a battleship that is scaled, some asteroids that are also scaled and skewed as well. I can hit save as and save this as test2, hit save, and I'll go ahead and rerun the program, no memory leaks, and then file, open, and then test2, it's not there. Anyway, I'll do it again. I'll save as. Okay, that's what I did. I need the program in there to append JSON if it's not in there, but I'll do test2 again as JSON, and then I'm going to rerun the program, and then open, and test2 JSON, and same level as before. On the back end, there's a big change, especially with how I'm managing my memory and making sure that my schematics are separate from the actor information, because basically what I'm trying to do is I'm creating a swath panel of schematics, and then as I need to create a new actor with that color or that schematic, I pick it and then I apply it and create an instance of that resource information. So right now there's two schematics. There's the asteroid crystal and then the battleship, but there's 4 actors. There's 3 crystals and 1 battleship. So I'll go ahead and open up a JSON file so you can see how that's working right here. This is the format that I'm going to be aiming for. Basic level information at the top. It has your schematics. It has the type. It's a mesh. The name is battle cruiser or battle underscore cruiser underscore 1. Textures is going to be a flag or any special information, like if I wanted the battle cruiser to be green instead of red. And I'm not using this yet, but this defines the material type for the shader. Then I have my second schematic, which is the crystal underscore 1, and then I have an array of actors. And now these actors basically are position, orientation, scale, and then a identifier of the schematic that they're using, which I call mesh. Right now, most definitely in the future, there's going to be stuff like maximum velocity, minimum velocity, turn radius, or turn speed. A bunch of information defines the actor, but right now I just want to get it printed out to the screen, develop kind of what I want. So this is what I'm going for. I'll make a blog post that kind of details the code that I'm going over, but just to briefly go over it, I have my Windows delegate methods, which is going to be the main meat of all of my functions inside my dialogues. So read memory into JSON file. This gets my memory heaps, my schematics and actor types, and uses my JSON, my simple JSON parser, and it parses them out into the file, and it'll do that for everything that's inside the memory. Toggle changes. Here's the memory manager. A little bit more confusing. I'll go over this in the blog post. I just really wanted to go over quickly what I had done. Of course, I have the asset window, and something cool that I discovered and figured out is that I can do drag and drop of files. I currently have a JSON file selected, and I can drag and drop it onto here, and I can pragmatically understand what to do with it. I'm really excited about getting that feature put in. I also know how to be able to select multiple files and to interpret those multiple files. I think in the future I'll be able to have an assets panel, and I can just grab all my assets and drag them in there, and then my level has access to those assets, and they're loaded into memory. And as I drag them into the main viewport, it starts creating instances of those resources. Alright, so that's my demo for where I'm at in the program. I know it looks like it's not a lot right now, but it's a big step, being able to save and load information. The next big step is going to be getting picking to work, so I can select an object and then move it around and save and actually make it change. But right now we're gaining control, and that's the biggest thing. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the comments.